Hello, welcome back to Lovely's Crafting Lodge. Today I just wanted to do a flip through of a couple botanical items that I've been working on, kind of a garden theme. Again, you've seen me make these before. Well, you've seen Eve make these before and I've shown you that I've made them. Just the 4 pockets there. I really enjoy this. It's just one piece of paper and it's just so cute. So many different options. The next thing I have is from, I believe, this is a digital kit, Artie Mays. I put some stamp washi here and distressed it. And it just folds open. There's 2 coffee dyed note cards here that are just glued in. And the backing here is recycled cardboard. This little booklet I have here is stamped in kind of a greenish ink. It's a memento. I can't think of the exact name, pine or fir or something. This is just really pretty green. Hope it's coming through. And these are coffee dyed pages and just little booklets. I have a bow in the middle. And slips back into there. And exactly the same thing on this side, except this is a sunflower stamp, same color ink, and the coffee dyed pages with the bow in the middle. Just a little extra journaling space. I guess this is kind of not a stationery kit, but a journaling kit going out to a fellow crafter. And here is a hardcover book. I pulled out the guts, or the actual book. This is from a magazine, and out on the outside of this is the Stains Patty pockets. And I just put a little bit of the part that I ripped off here. I thought it was fun just to add it to the back, and then she can add more to it as desired. But I tried to leave this, again, as naked as possible because she is actually a junk journaler. So the front cover, I did more of the kit and the Stains by Patty pockets in here. But I have some of a kit in here, some botanical pages, coffee dyed, another digital kit. I believe this is in German. Avocado dyed pages, coffee. This is newsprint, and I thought that gave a really neat effect to it. And avocado, a lot lighter on that one there. Another botanical, but this one is herbs, I believe, and it shows how to cook with the herbs that you grow. And I just I did a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. I found it with wax linen thread, and I just tied it in a bow so she could add the charms that she wanted. Again, I was really just trying to give her a good base. She's not very into junk journaling right now. She's kind of busy with some other stuff, and that's why I thought making this for her would be really cool, because she could just fill it up with the stuff that she is thinking or wanting to do. Started the second signature here, and you can see it's the same kit, but actually on here I used a sanding block, and I went over and gave it just a little different feel to the page. But I really like that that image right there, so I printed it a couple times. And I believe she likes pink, so that's why I chose the pink colors. But I did put just a little bit of a spring kind of feel into here. And this is a rosemary. I really enjoy rosemary, and recently, more than ever, I've been using rosemary. So I kind of put that in there, you know, tying us together and whatnot. And here's some more coffee dyed pages. These are original. These aren't printed or anything. That's the back side of the German page. And we're starting on the third last signature here. I hope that she shares some pictures or what she did with this, how she changed it or altered it or added to it. I think that would be pretty fun. Kind of like, I don't want to say a collab, but kind of like a collab. You know, it started out this way, and then this is what I did to it. Kind of like how we take one another's ideas and kind of put our own twist on it and whatnot. I thought that would be, I don't know, I think it would be pretty fun if she does something like that. But if not, of course, I just really hope that she enjoys it. That's actually all I have for today. So I'll see you back here again at Lovely's Crafting Lodge.